How to turn off in-app ratings and reviews? Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap App Store. Now, scroll to the bottom until you find In-App Ratings and Reviews. Turn off the toggle next to In-App Ratings and Reviews. Once disabled, apps will no longer be able to show rating and review prompts while you're using them. Keep in mind that this setting only prevents in-app review requests. You can still leave ratings and reviews manually by opening the App Store, finding the app, and scrolling down to the Ratings and Reviews section. If you ever want to receive these prompts again, just return to the same setting and turn the toggle back on. And that's it. You've successfully turned off in-app ratings and review requests on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.